Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. Sagittarius. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Four of Fire, Hermit, and Seven of Air. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are thinking about something, maybe some decisions you need to make, and you are thinking about that, and you have what to say you need to do or you need to make a particular choice today in your circumstance. So you want to make the right choice, so you have some kind of thought about what will be the right thing or what will work for you, and maybe you have your own vision or you have your own ideas about certain things, and you want to stick to those ideas, and maybe you feel that maybe something someone may not like, maybe the people you work with, they may not like the way you plan something, or you have ideas about something. So you want to think for yourself and do things the way you planned, but for some reason you are just holding on, or maybe waiting. You are not sure enough today. That may be the reason you are waiting to make the right decisions today, guys. And you know what will work for you, Sagittarius. So that is the reason you are thinking and planning to make that right choice today. So it may be something in your work or in your relationship, some choices in this relationship. So you don't want to make any mistake. So once you make that choice, you want to stick to that and go by that. And in this relationship, there is something for you to be happy. Maybe you have a very good friendly relationship with this person. You both have a level of understanding, trust on each other, and you both love each other's company. And that may be the reason you are thinking and planning. Maybe you have plans for your future. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment. That may be the reason for this deep thought. Or maybe it may be something this person is thinking of. So they are planning for engagement, or they are planning to propose. So it may be their energy, guys, towards you. But I see that you are simply enjoying this time you have with this person, and you are really happy to be in this relationship with this person, Sagittarius. So for you, we picked one card for your relationship, guys, and it's Three of Fire. And you are really happy, guys, today. You are enjoying this circumstance. You have that harmony and balance in your relationship, and this love is your heart's desire. You are simply happy and you are simply excited. That is the reason you are thinking of marriage or commitment to this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, for your career situation, we picked one card, patience. So in your work, maybe there may be some difficulties, guys, but if you are patient enough, if you can hold on, wait, things are going to align, things are going to change. So you need to do things in the right way today. So whatever is the most needed, you must go for that. And if you can wait, if you are making some important decisions in your work, you can wait for that, guys. This may not be the right time to make some choices. This is the time for you to wait and see where things are going in your work situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.